Essentially, we see an increase in capital spending within the industry going forward. Historically, if you look at capital spending, so this has upstream, pipelines and midstream, downstream, and LNG spending as well. But now we see some of the growth in capital spending a little bit more broad-based. We anticipate a lot of investment going into midstream. We expect further growth in downstream. Similarly, we expect further growth in LNG markets as well. So capital spending is going to grow, but it's going to be a little bit more broad-based. So if you look at, this is US E&P capex on $1 per million barrel of oil produced every year. But on $1 per million barrels of production, the cost has actually come down quite a bit relative to where we were, let's say, in 2014, 2015. Some of this is tied to cost inflation and discounts that has happened across the oilfield services space, as well as in the entire supplier base. But some of this is also coming from structural changes in the way the oil and gas industry approaches capital projects. They're much efficient today than they have been in the past. So I think this is a trend that will continue, and this is a trend that the supplier side of the industry will have to keep in mind as it thinks about what's happening around capital spending.